Every day, millions of people struggle with physical issues such as aches and pains, fatigue, brain fog, and other discomforts that prevent them from living an active, healthy life. Did you know proper blood flow plays a critical role in our general health? As we get older, or perhaps due to injury, our circulation can become restricted. Now, you could achieve better circulation in as little as 8 minutes twice a day with BEMER. BEMER is a Health Canada registered consumer medical device that's easy to use, non-invasive, and could improve microcirculatory blood flow by up to 30%. BEMER deploys pulsed electromagnetic field technology to target the smallest network of blood vessels in your body, known as the microcirculatory system. This unique, patented signal safely travels through the body, allowing for better distribution of oxygen and nutrients while eliminating waste from your cells. Just think of this signal as gently massaging your micro blood vessels for better distribution of blood. Did you know the average Canadian spends almost $7,000 on their health every year? With BEMER, you can improve local circulation in a natural, non-invasive way for roughly the same price as a cup of coffee per day for 4 years. And it's something that can benefit the entire family. The value of our health is priceless. People around the world have incorporated BEMER into their daily routine to optimize their health, and you can too. Get started with an official distributor today and learn how BEMER can improve your life. BEMER. Better circulation, better health, better life.